We at an undisclosed location right now. I won't say too much, but it's Rick 2K, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Y'all showed me a lot of support on the last video, so I want to say appreciate everybody who liked and commented and just chapped in with that video. You know what I'm saying? It was a nice little update on everything that's been going on. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and make sure you watch that. But we at the storage unit right now, so as far as getting into today's video, we got an install coming for the car today. This is something that I was supposed to put in the whip a while ago. Really, this interior upgrade is going to be a two-part series, but y'all gonna find out more what I mean about that in a second. So for now, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let's crack open the storage unit, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what we putting on today and get into it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be an exciting day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? We on the road to what, 2,000 subscribers I think at this point, or 2.1k, I'm not sure, but you know what I'm saying, it's Rick 2K. It's only right that we hit 2k, so go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, don't chop me too hard either for the cut, you know what I'm saying? I ain't had a retwist or a cut in like 2 months now. Shout out my stylist, but I will be over there soon. Yeah, so as y'all know, I moved out the last spot, you know what I'm saying? This is how we're looking right now in the storage unit. This is a little sneak peek at what's to come next, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I won't say too much. Let's go ahead and skip over that. If you know, you know, but big interior mod coming with this. So this is actually what we're putting in today. As y'all know, I got a red interior, so we got this red carpet and then a few other things that's getting tuned up with the inside, but I guess I'll show y'all more of that once we get there. Don't mind the mess in here. Like I said, I'm between cribs right now, so we got a lot going on, but I am the most excited for this pallet. Can't cap to you, you know what I'm saying? It's on a pallet. I mean, it's big freight, it's a big item, so that'll give y'all a little hint on what's going on in the car next, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's go ahead and get downstairs. I'll show y'all everything else that we're getting put onto the whip, and then we're gonna head over to the shop. All right, so I got the carpet loaded up in the whip, but yeah, we're getting that put in. I'm gonna do a little walk around. My LED lights, or the strip lights that I got in the side of the door, if you look on this side, it's peeling a little bit, so we're gonna have him replace those. I got the heated seats in the back, so we're just doing some maintenance, making sure those work, checking up on those. Footwell lighting, like that piece right there, it's a little loose, and then this one right here, as well as yeah, don't mind my rugs, by the way. My rug is dirty on both sides. I'm gonna get a detail, but getting the lighting fixed right here. These adjusted, like how that's coming loose. Got my lighting in the dashboard. I think, yeah, we're pretty strong right here on this door panel. You see, there's no issue with it. But yeah, getting the heated and cooled seats checked on the front seats as well, because I think my cooled seats were out. The heated still work, but it's crazy. I'm getting that fixed now, and it's about to be winter anyways. But you know what I'm saying, that's it. So we just headed to the shop for a little bit of maintenance, you know what I'm saying? That's all. The whip is looking clean though, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we got some changes to the front coming soon. Let me see if y'all notice a little, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we're not gonna speak too much on that. I'll speak on that in a little bit. But yeah, I'll put a head out to the shop now though. See, look, this is what I meant by my rug being dirty. We got another light that's loose as well. But this interior mod upgrade is gonna be a two-part series. So this first part is just me, you know what I'm saying, cleaning up the inside with the bloody red guts. And then this next part is gonna be a whole transformation for real. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, I had a long drive, so I'll catch y'all when I actually get to the shop. You know what I'm saying? My boy Brandon, EC. I'll see y'all there. Alright, so we got like a 40-minute drive. Y'all see it, 50-minute really. You know what I'm saying? Before we get to the spot, but a little Easter egg though, you know what I'm saying, about that thing y'all saw popping out under my bumper. Hey, that's all I'm gonna say, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know, you know what I'm saying? A little Easter egg, I'm gonna leave it at that. But, alright, let's whip out. Drop the windows a little bit, see if we can get some sound. You know what I'm saying? I'll do a more in-depth video about like under the hood and what we did with all that, but now, nice little pool, you know what I'm saying? It made the car just a little bit louder when I be pulling. Yeah, I fuck with it, but little Easter egg. Alright, so I'll see y'all when I get to the spot. It's a long drive. I ain't really gonna record too much on the way there, but when I do get there, I'll record for y'all, you know what I'm saying, if there's anything to get. I don't even think the car gonna be ready same day. It might be, but this might be a I'll pick y'all back up the next day situation once it's ready. So we'll see when I get there, but stay tuned. Let me know if you're enjoying the video so far, you know what I'm saying, and what else y'all want to see me get into. Always give me ideas down in the comments. But alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the shop. We out. Alright y'all, so I'm dropping the car off now, you know what I'm saying. Hey, check this out though. I got the 4G autos on, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna be ready today, so I guess I'll just catch y'all on the pickup. But yeah, I'm dropping it off now. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look once we get this new carpet in. And then that V2 on this next video to top it off, the interior gonna be set. After that, probably the only other thing I might want to get into is this Starline headliner, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. For sure, once I got the interior taken care of, you already know next, we just on the outside, you know what I'm saying, getting this outside fixed up. But it's a process, and I'm bringing y'all along for the journey. So, you know what I'm saying, y'all rocking with me, seeing this whole thing from the beginning to the end. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when we on the way to go pick it up. Alright, so it's the next day. My rider's outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, but the car is ready. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look with the new carpet, you know what I'm saying, and hopefully they tuned up some of the other stuff on the inside. This is just one of two parts to this interior that we're getting done, but I don't want to hold y'all up too much. Without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the shop. Yeah. And before the sun goes down, it's getting dark. We just picked up the whip. It's behind me right now, so we're finna see what the inside is looking like. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. So, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got the lights going. No cap. I got the app on my phone. I'm gonna see what the other colors is looking like. But, light little mod, getting this carpet put in. Let me see if I can pull out the app on my phone. Give y'all a second. But yeah, light little mod. Got the heated and cooled seats for the back. Let me turn the light on. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the lights on, as y'all can see. Okay, we getting somewhere. Let me pull out the app on my phone. I don't know why the fans was on that bright. Alright, so we got the app on my phone, you know what I'm saying? We can control the seats, control the doors, control everything at the same time. Man, it looks pretty good. Yeah, definitely vibey, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, let me know if I rock with it. But smooth little mod, smooth little yeah. Okay then. I'm about to head out, but I had to get some gas too. We low on gas, no cap. I only got, what's that say, 56 miles to the tank. So yeah, I definitely gotta fill up. But I'm about to head back out now. how much I'm gonna record while I'm on the way back. It's already getting dark. I don't even know if y'all can see me. I don't know how much I'm gonna record while I'm on the way back. Maybe I'll get like some pulls and stuff for y'all, but I'm gonna outro the vlog once I get back. Yeah. Alright, so tell me why I just peeped that my microphone was messed up for like a good amount of that audio when I was recording, showing the inside when I picked it up. But anyways, I've been cruising for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? The whip is riding smooth. I wanted to ask y'all, let me know down in the comments, what am I missing? Like, what do I really need to do to this car next, whether it's inside or out, in y'all opinion? I got my plans, you know, for what I'm trying to do, but let me know if it's somewhere I'm really dropping the ball, something I ain't thought of, you know what I'm saying? I like out-of-the-box ideas, stuff that hasn't already been done, especially in Mopar. You see a lot of the same stuff, doing the same thing, so you know, let me know what I could do that's lit, that'll turn it up. But yeah, I'll give it a little bit more of a walk around time I get back to the crib. I gotta get some gas too, my tank a little low. But yeah, I'll go like a little bit more in depth of what, you know, it's looking like. But for the most part, this was like slight, you know what I'm saying? Something simple, something slight. Just a quick little update for y'all. Yeah, let me focus on the road. What I gotta do is how I get back, you know what I'm saying? Make it back on. Quick little pull for y'all. Alright, so we at the QT. Was that? Y'all heard that shit? It sounded like I hit something. But we at the QT. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they don't wax me over the head with these gas prices, but tank low, we gotta fill up. So you that's watching this far, let me give y'all a little Easter egg, you know what I'm saying, of the latest progressions with the whip. So earlier in the video I showed y'all, you know what I'm saying, I showed y'all this. For those of you that know what that means, you know what I'm saying, you tapped in, but pressure. Alright. Ooh. Pressure. So got it poking out right there. We actually had to custom fit it. This is a leg maker for air intake. We got the carbon fiber right there, going along nice. But we had to custom fit it to get it to like go right into this spot. But as soon as we put it on, the whip just automatically felt better, more responsive, a little bit louder on pulls. Had to top off the cooler as well. But it pokes out on the bottom of the bumper like that. Nah, that shit low key hard, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I still gotta get it like tuned all the way though, so that's why I ain't dropped like the full video on it yet. But for those of you that's watching, you know what I'm saying, so far a leg maker cold air intake is on the whip. That's all I'm gonna say. But we fully in the day, we still ain't even fucked up now. Hemi gas prices usually take me about 60 to 70 to fill up, so right now we at about almost 50 now. Car be taking like 15 gallons, I think, but either way, gas prices $3.99, so shit. I'm gonna get up out of here though, no cap. I'll see y'all when we get back close by the crib, and then I'll see if there's anything I left out as far as the interior. Yeah. So let's head up out. Let's head up out, man. Cap. Oh, I feel like it coming a little too hot. Don't hit me. But yeah. So I just parked up. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all missed when the microphone was muted earlier. Pretty much just what all got done. Wasn't really too much, was something slight, but I'm gonna get right into it. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off too much. Basically, let's start with the back. So, fixed up the heated seats, you know what I'm saying, in the bike, in the back. Yeah. That's the seat heater, so it's gonna be winter. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get cozy back here, get rump, or you know what I'm saying, you could damn near live back here. Also, shit, got the heated seats for the winter. So yeah, of course the rug, and then the lights, the custom lights. I already showed y'all that, custom door lights. I'm thinking about doing the star lights inside of the actual panel of the door, but we're gonna worry about the roof first before we even get into any of that. And then same thing, I just got to tune up on my heated and cooled seats in the front. It's the button right here. Let's see if I can turn my flash on. But that's the heated. Let me see, can y'all see that? Yeah, that's the heated. If you go up, and then the cooled seats right there. You can actually kind of hear the fan a little bit and turn green. That's the cooled seats on the bottom. So I mean, it's gonna be winter. I ain't really got no use for the cooled, but the heated is gonna be nice. I don't think my front was out. It was actually the passenger one that was out. But yeah, that's the same shop that put in my actual seats, and he also did the ambient lights for me. Hold on, turn this off. He also did the ambient lights for me in the whole dash and in the door panels. So yeah, for sure, next I want to do my headliner and then get the little stardust in the doors. But that's what we did for today. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't really gonna be too long. Damn, boy, I can still see the lights from, can I see that? You can still see the lights from inside the car. But yeah, it wasn't really gonna be too long. Just a quick little mod for y'all. The next part of this video, the part 2 of my interior, is gonna be like a little bit more longer and in depth, because that's a bigger mod. They're being loud as shit over there. Nah, but that's a bigger mod, more like changing, you know what I'm saying, for the whip. But you know what I'm saying, with that being said, let me know if y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna take myself back to the crib. I was working earlier, so that's really why like I wasn't able to go pick up the car until way later today. So I'm gonna try to shoot more during the day, you know what I'm saying? It's still a learning curve. But yeah, let me know if y'all enjoyed today's video. Let me know what y'all thought about it down in the comments. It's your boy Rick2K. Appreciate y'all, and I'm out. Can't forget, follow me on Instagram at Rick2K__. I got some heat that's gonna come out on there, and you don't want to miss what I drop on there that I can't show on YouTube. If you're watching the video this far, go ahead and comment Bessie down in the comments. That's actually the name of the car, for those of you who don't know. So comment Bessie, let me know that you're watching this far into the video. I'll like and tap in with the comment. Let me know who the real supporters are. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, it's been your boy Rick2K. We out.